Hello guys, this is a Harley Davidson from 1990. It's the Sportster 883 XLH, and I've had this bike for 30 years now, and I've had lots and lots of fun with it. It's always been such a reliable and very trustworthy motorbike. And lately I've been having problems and issues with the spark plugs, changing up all the time the spark plugs because they were going black, and I thought it was a carburator. And I changed the carburator as well, and I got another CEV carburator, which was actually made no difference. Thanks. So I thought I'll drill these rivets out and to take the cob off, and then I found this thing over here. Look at that. This is a sensor, and it's, as far as I understand, this thing is covered up with some kind of substance in order to avoid short circuit. And I don't know if that's been causing problems on this bike, or maybe this is the way it actually works, because there's a thing around metal plate in there that goes round and round, which it's actually the ignition signal to the plugs, to the coil, and then the plugs. Anyway, I thought I'd share this with you in case you people have something similar maybe going on. I'm going to change this, and hopefully problems will be fixed. I'll post an update as well. Thanks very much for watching.